Good morning, third grade. Today we're going to work on our middle paragraph on our persuasive writing, which is our body paragraph. But as we've always said in school, as we go forward, we have to rewind a little bit and make sure that we understand what we've done so far. So we're going to start from the beginning. And when we started this, we started with some notes about persuasive writing. And you have this in your tablet. And we talked about what goes into persuasive writing and what's important about persuasive writing. So let's just take a minute to go over this before we go forward. So persuasive writing starts with an opinion. You have already formed that. You have decided by doing some brainstorming about what the best pet would be for your family. So you have your opinion. Your opinion is the pet that you believe is the best one. And our second point is strong writing is convincing with reasons. So today, as we work on our body paragraph, that is what we are going to be working with. We have to give our reader some good reasons for why that particular pet is the best pet for our family. So we're going to pick up with persuasive writing today. We are going to keep working on trying to convince our reader about our opinion, and we are going to do that with our reasons. So where are our reasons going to come from? Our reasons are going to come from our brainstorming sheet that we've already prepared. So I've looked at mine, and I would like you to think about what you put in the bubbles outside the middle square box. And I want you to pick 3 of those reasons for your body paragraph. So I'm going to model for you how I would do it. When you open the other link that you are going to be getting from Mrs. May, that is going to have the information I am giving to you now verbally. So you're going to have it in 2 forms. It's going to be written down in the link, and you're going to be hearing it as I explain it with your body paragraph. Okay, so our body paragraph is our middle paragraph. You have done the introductory paragraph. That's the paragraph that tells about what pets need, and it ended with the pet that you feel is best for your family. That's your beginning paragraph. You sent that to me, and I asked you to write that in your tablet. You are going to do the same thing with the body paragraph. You're going to open up the other link. You're going to follow the instructions, and you are going to type it in the link and send it to me, but you also are going to write it in your tablet, and that's going to be written right after your introductory paragraph. Okay, so our body paragraph, the main purpose of our body paragraph is our reasons. And when we are finished, if we've done our body paragraph well and we follow the directions, we will have a total of 8 sentences. That middle paragraph will always be the longer paragraph because it has all of the reasons, and you have to explain to your reader about those reasons. We're going to start with everything what we should always start with is a topic sentence. So I'm thinking about mine, and mine was about the fish. And my topic sentence is going to be this: fish remind me of my favorite season, which is summer. I'm not giving any reasons in my topic sentence yet, because remember, our topic sentence is going to build on what we've already told our reader. So our last sentence in our introduction is about the pet we chose. Now we have to give a little bit more to connect it. So this is my topic sentence. Fish remind me of my favorite season, which is summer. Now I'm ready to start my first reason. And my first reason has to begin with some sequence words. So look how I have this highlighted. And I need my glasses to be able to see what I wrote. And it says, one reason a fish is a good pet is because they are not expensive or costly. Okay, I have to give a little bit more, but I cannot make this sentence longer because I will have a run-on. So I'm going to give another sentence that's connected to this one. And this sentence is, fish require a tank, food, and water, which won't break our family budget. So these are separate sentences, but they're all both of them are part of the same reason. So that is what I want you to do. You come up with your first reason and you back it up with another sentence. Okay, one reason is not enough. So I'm going to keep going on and I'm going to give my second reason. So I wouldn't put one reason here. I would put another reason fish are a good choice is because they have a calming effect. I'm going to do the same thing. I have to back it up. So I'm going to back it up with a sentence that says, when someone in our family gets stressed, they can watch the fish glide through the water. So if you've ever watched fish in a tank, they are very calming to watch. You just watch them swimming around. They're not, they're not destructive. They're very calming. And that's why sometimes people go to the beach, because it has a very calming effect. So this is my second reason with my backup. Now I need a third reason. So transition, sequence words. A third reason for a fish is because they are generally clean animals. I need a backup. So my backup sentence is going to be, we won't have to worry about them shedding, slobbering, or drooling on the furniture. So I have my third reason in one sentence, and I have my backup for my third reason in the next sentence. Okay, so I have done a pretty good job with giving a topic sentence and 3 reasons. I can't just end the paragraph there. I need a concluding sentence. So my concluding sentence wraps it up. Without a doubt, a fish is the best choice for our family. So altogether, I have given one topic sentence, 3 reasons, and I've given a concluding sentence, a total of 8 sentences for my body paragraph. You have to remember, every sentence has to have a capital letter. Every sentence has to have something at the end, which is called a period. Okay, so right now, what I'm going to ask you to do is to pause the video. You can replay the video after you look at the link, which is a separate link Mrs. May is sending you. You can always go back to this video to look at it again to be sure you understand things. But what you need now in order to do your body paragraph is something to write with. So a pencil. You need your writing tablet. Your writing tablet has to be open to where you have your introductory paragraph, because that's where you're going to write your body paragraph. An eraser is always a very good idea in case you make a mistake. So once you have those things out, then what you want to do is you want to open the link, and the link will take you to some of the information that I just gave you verbally. You can go back to this short video to help you understand. If you don't need to, that's fine. But what I want you to do is give 3 reasons like I did, using, of course, this cluster that you have. So you have 6 reasons. I don't want 6. I want 3, and each one has a backup sentence, just like I showed you. Okay, boys and girls, when you have finished, you're going to hit submit on the link. And after you do that, I will be able to look at your work, and Mrs. May will probably ask you when this is all done after our concluding paragraph to send her a copy of all 3 paragraphs. So work hard. This is the long paragraph, but once you have this paragraph finished, the concluding paragraph will be shorter. Okay, if you have any questions, send Mrs. May an email, send Mrs. Jenkins an email. or you can, of course, always ask your mom or dad if you're not sure. You've done a good job with the first paragraph. I want you to keep doing a good job. Okay, I'll see you later, guys.